This CanaKit Raspberry Pi 5 desktop PC arrives completely assembled, so you can go from unboxing to a working desktop with almost no setup effort. The combination of a Raspberry Pi 5 board with 8 gigabytes of memory and a pre-installed 64-bit operating system makes everyday tasks feel surprisingly quick and responsive. Its dedicated NVMe solid-state drive offers dramatically faster startup and application loading than typical micro-secure digital card-based Raspberry Pi builds. The compact turbine-style case with active cooling keeps the system stable under sustained loads, while still looking clean and unobtrusive on a desk or in a media center. Thoughtful extras like the high-power delivery power adapter and dual display cables make it easy to connect multiple screens and bus-powered accessories without hunting for add-ons. Overall, this kit delivers a polished Raspberry Pi desktop experience that is well-suited for home offices, coding projects, and learning environments.